Namaste and welcome to our English class again. Okay, today we are going to deal with writing. In writing, we are going to deal with writing a news story. Okay, of page number 80, unit 7. Students, before also, while you were doing in page number 71, 72, 73, that means reading the news article, news story, okay, you talked about the news articles, news story, what is that, okay. Let me say you more. This is the newspaper, okay. What is this? It's a newspaper. You all know that. You have seen this type of things, most of you, okay. This is the newspaper. And this is the news heading, and what is written under this? This is the newspaper story, okay. This is newspaper, and this, the bold one, these are news heading, and what is written under this? These all are said to be news story. Now, before starting our class, okay, let us talk about something. That means while we go through the answer sheet of students, okay, other students also, we find that they are confused with the word news story. I mean to say that most of our students, they just read the title, develop the news story from the skeleton, then they will start the story writing from once upon a time, okay, because they are confused in the word news story and story, okay. News story and story. Students are confused here, so we will be talking about news story today, not the story, okay. What is news story and how we will develop it, how we will write through the guided writing. You know, guided writing, there is given skeleton, some things, okay, some lines, some outlines, and we will develop the story from there. So news articles, okay, newspaper report from there, and that is said to be news story, okay. And how we will do that, we will be dealing it today. Now, let's start. Then what is news story? Okay, that is the main point. Let's go to the slide here, okay. It's written, a news story or report is a written or printed story in any newspaper about the event, issues, accident or problem to make them known to the readers. That means this is the newspaper, yeah, and here it is written, here there is written the story, and it gives us information about some, okay, information of some events or some action or some activity that is going on. That means PM for putting amendment bill to vote by August 23, okay, August 23rd. This is the heading. That means this story talks about the event of amendment of constitution, the bill, okay. So now, if so, then let's go to our topic. So, to our book, page number 80, there is one sample news story there. Let me paste it here. If you can go through your book also. You can turn page number 80 there. Okay. Now, can you see? If not, then you can look at your book also. It is written, Nepal must-see destination for 2016 recommends leading global magazine. Okay, that means global magazine has recommended that Nepal is, you have to visit Nepal once, okay. That means it is the must-see destination. It is published on December 08, okay, 2015. Kathmandu, from where? From Kathmandu, okay. The National Geographic Traveler magazine has enlisted Nepal as one of the must-see destinations in the world of 2016, okay. It is, that means must-see, enlisted means it has listed there, okay, and destination of in the world of 2016. And then in its school list 2016 prepared for the January-February 2016 issue means its volume, okay. In its in its volume, okay, of the UK-based travel magazine, Nepal has been placed 6th in the list of the 16 cool destinations in the world. That means there are 16 other cool destination, okay, and you have to, and Nepal has been placed as a sixth place, okay, that means it is listed in 6th place of cool destination, okay. Now, tourist numbers to Nepal plummeted by 85% after the devastating earthquake. That means plummeted means decreased, okay? Decreased very rapidly, and devastating means disaster. That means tourists, those who came to Nepal, okay, they decreased, the number of the tourists decreased due to the devastating earthquake. But the country is once more open for business and safe to visit, with a new government-backed website providing official updates on affected areas. Okay, it is said, one of the world popular traveler publications said, adding, this is the nation that has long relied heavily on tourism. That means this nation is heavily dependent on tourism, with many visitors lured by the chance. Okay, they are attracted by the chance to combine volunteerism with adventure holiday and stunning landscape. That means if you come to Nepal, you find very interesting thing, okay, you have very interesting view to see. It says about those things, and this article, it describes about Nepal must-see destination for 2016 recommends leading global magazine. That means this all focus on this topic, okay. Now, chosen by its team of editor and writer, the hotly anticipated list of countries and cities also include Iran. That means along with Nepal, there is Iran, Costa Rica, Washington DC, Ireland, Cuba, Shanghai, okay, Mozambique, Saint Vincent and Grenadines, okay, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Somerset, Rio de Janeiro, Kazakhstan, Argentina, San Sebastian and the Great Barrier Reef. Okay, these are the places that has been listed. Okay, now we have sought the planet. That means we have gone to there, okay, we have deeply invested, okay, we have sought through the planet of this year must-see destination and came up with an elected list of top sport of culture, cuisine means the fooding style, okay, festive celebration, pristine coastline, that means nice, beautiful, okay, attractive coastlines and places to go. Some are obvious, some not so, but we think they should be top of anyone's travel plan in 2016 and beyond. The magazine quoted its editor, Pat Riddle, was saying. Okay, this is all about the newspaper, sample newspaper that is given in a book. I just went through it, okay, thoroughly. We didn't describe it more. Here, I want to share you something more. The more thing here to share is, we are talking about newspaper writing, okay. Then we will be talking what are the elements of newspaper writing, okay, what should be included there while we are writing newspapers, articles, newspaper news, okay, newspaper stories. In that case, then what are the things that is included here, or what are the elements, okay, of newspaper we will be dealing it with. Then first thing the newspaper story should include is heading, okay, that is heading. The first thing the newspaper story should include is heading, okay. Okay, then first thing newspaper story should include is heading, one. The second thing it should include, okay, that means the second element can be, okay, it's byline. Byline means, okay, we will be talking later what is byline means. Then it should include, okay, dateline. It should have dateline there, okay. Okay, then it should have lead sentence. Okay, what are they? We will deal. Then it should have body, and conclusion. Now, okay. Now, what are they? Oh, we haven't written what are they, isn't it? It's elements of newspaper stories, okay? Elements of news story. News story can be said as article also, okay? Article. Now, or report also. Anything. Don't get confused with these similar terms, okay? Heading, byline, dateline, lead, body, conclusion. Then, is they include in our this sample or not? If you are unable to see this sample, okay, printed form of the sample news story that is adapted from your book, then you can look at your book, okay? It is on page number 80 and page number 81, okay? We will be relating that. Now, heading. Heading means the name of the story. Story means that report. Okay. What is the name of that report? Then what is the name of the report here? Nepal must see destination for 2016 recommends leading global magazine. That means this is heading. Okay. This is heading. It's heading here. Now, let's talk something about heading. Heading is mostly written in present tense, okay? It is written in bold letters so that it will be attracted, okay? Or first people will see that. And there is something more thing is that heading must be attractive so that when people read the heading of the newspaper or news story, then they would know or they could know or they can know what the story is about, okay, what that news is about. So we use heading, and heading mostly, okay, generally it is written in present tense, but sometimes it can be written in past tense also. As if you see in some of the newspaper given in page number 71, the pictures of a newspaper there in your book, then in the Rising Nepal, okay, not Rising Nepal, there in the Himalayan there is written Baburam's Naya Shakti Nepal launched, LAUNCHED. It is in past form also, okay. So it is not hard and fast rule that you have to write in present tense, but mostly and generally it is written in present tense, okay. Now, next one is byline. Byline means who has written this story, okay, who has written the newspaper report or the newspaper that story, that is byline. But in our this here, okay, in our this sample, it is not given, it is not written here. Mostly it is written in every newspaper, but sometimes we can omit it, okay, sometimes we can omit it. This is the compulsory one, the heading, okay, there must be a heading. But there is byline in others newspaper articles. If you go through there, okay, we can find who has written that, who is the reporter of that news. But here it is not given, okay. In this sample it is not mentioned here. Then there will be dateline. That means up to when or when the news is submitted, okay, submission of the date to be published. That is dateline, and it is here. It is here, okay. Published on December 08, 2015. It is written here, okay. And it can also include the place. It is written here Kathmandu down. It can also include place and sources also sometime, okay. Source from where, okay, this news has been taken out. Now next one is lead. Now what is lead? Okay, we will be talking about lead a bit more, not a bit, okay. Lead means intro. It is also said intro, Okay, it is also said intro. Intro means introduction. Okay, it gives the introduction of the news article, what actually the news is about. Okay, it gives the introduction and it says what actually the news is about. Okay, and reading this intro lead, people can understand actually what the news is going to say or describe about. Okay, for example, look here, the National Geographic Travel magazine has enlisted Nepal as one of the must-see destination in the world of 2016. That means all this news is about listing Nepal as one of the must-see destination in the world for 2016. What? That means the National Geographic Traveler magazine. What did, when, okay, when means in 2016, okay, where in this type of question, okay, W5, 5W and 1 years is answered here. Next one is body. Okay, body means that is related to the lead now. It describes more for the information of the body, and in conclusion the writer can conclude. Moreover, in slide also we can see, okay, what are the things to be mentioned, okay, or to be considered while writing news article. Look here in slide, heading must be attractive so that reader get half information. That means our heading must be attractive here. Okay, Nepal must see destination for 2016 recommends leading global magazine. Okay, and this heading must be written in, must be, or usually it is written in present tense. Okay, and it avoids article. A and the, this type of things are avoided in this heading. Okay, and it usually avoids preposition also. Okay, we don't use those things. Next one is, next point, okay, or next things to be considered while writing news article is it should have date and place of issues. Okay, it has date, okay, December 8, 2050, okay, place from where it has been issued, the paper has been published, okay, that is Kathmandu. Okay, then in the lead paragraph should be there. Okay, there is a lead paragraph, should briefly answer the questions like who was involved, okay, what happened means the Nepal has been enlisted, yes, where did it happen, National Geographical Travel magazine, okay, where, then when did it happen, okay, for 2016, okay, why it happened, how did it happen. This type of questions are answered by lead, so that people, if people don't have time, they shouldn't go through the story, they will read the lead and they will have the introduction of the news story, what the news story is about. Okay, then give all the important details, that is number third one is give all the important details. Okay, it comes under the body version. Okay, you will write the important details there. Okay, then there is follow up the main fact with additional information, it is written here. That means it also comes under body, and at last conclude your article, it is written here. Here you can conclude in any way, that means you can give the conclusion also, or your own view also, or you can just finish it with the body one line, writing one line, and you can finish it. Okay, now if we have finished the things to be considered, and if we have finished dealing with the elements of the news story, then there are some questions. Okay, in page number 81, okay, look at your book, page number 81, there are some questions, okay, about this text. It is when was the text written. Okay, when was the text written? It was written in December 8, 2015. Okay, which website can you find this article on? That is not mentioned here, but if you look at your book, then you can find at the last of your book here. Okay, it is written source www.thehimalayatimes.com. Okay, you can write the name of this website. What is the text about? Then you have to write the heading here. What is the text about? That Nepal being recommended, okay, is must-see destination for 2060 by global magazine. Okay, next one is what is the headline of the article? Headline of the article is, then this is the headline of the article. We will write this: Nepal must-see destination for 2016 recommends leading global magazine. Yeah. Then what tense is used in heading? It is present tense. Okay, recommends. verb 5. Then this is present tense. Okay, what is the source of news? Then it is Himalayan Times. Okay, it has already written here the www.thehimalayan.com, himalayatimes.com. Okay, now this is all about the sample news story that is given in a book. Okay, then we compare it with the elements of the news story. We compare the news story with the article, and we just did what is heading, what is byline, what is dateline, what is lead, okay, what is body, what is conclusion. We did that. Then we also did that what are the things to be considered while writing news article. Then in page number 81, B, time for writing in your book. If you have book, please turn it. Otherwise, you can look at the slide also. There is given one sample, okay. Sample, that means skeleton of the newspaper articles, okay. That means news story. Now you have to develop this news article into news story, in news proper news story or news article here. Then how we will develop, we are going to do that. Okay, first let's read the skeleton here. Messi, 28-year-old Barcelona and Argentina forward, won the Ballon d'Or trophy on Monday. The world's best player, 2015 fifth time, won 4 straight FIFA award from 2009 to 2012. Yes, then it's incredible that it's my 5th. It's a very special moment for me to be back here on the stage. Okay, Messi said in his acceptance speech. 41.33% of total voting points in a 23 candidate ballot. Okay, Ronaldo 27.76%, Neymar, Messi's Barcelona teammate 7.86%. Okay, voting by national team captains and coaches. Okay, plus invited journalists from FIFA member countries. Okay, this is the outline skeleton form. Then we will write the newspaper report here. Okay, then how we will start? We will be writing the newspaper article, this news here, okay? Now, first we have to write the heading, okay? Then what is the heading? What is the heading here? Lionel Messi, okay? Lionel Messi wins FIFA, Lionel Messi wins FIFA World Player Award for 5th times. Okay. Now look here. This is the heading, okay, as we said. Now after heading, what we were talking about, what elements will be there? Byline. Then you can write, if you are writing this news, then you can write your own name as a reporter also, okay? Or you can omit this section and you can write the deadline when it is published. Okay, you have to write that. Then we will write 2000. Okay, what is the time date here? Yes, it is for 2015. Then we will write 2015 when? December 5. Okay, in this way you can write. Okay. Lionel Messi wins FIFA World Player Award for the 5th time. This is the heading. Now, this is Dateline. Where are you? From where you are writing this news? If you are writing from Kathmandu, you have to write here Kathmandu. If you are writing from Bhaktapur, you have to write here Bhaktapur. Okay. If you are writing from Lalitpur, Bajang, Khotang, anyway, okay, from where you are writing this news, you write the place here. Now you will start in this way. Messi, 28 years old. It is written there. Yes. Messi, 28-year world, okay, 28-year world, Barcelona and okay, Argentina. Forward, you know forward. Forward means the player who comes or who plays the first. That means who attack to make a goal, okay? It's not defender, forwarder, okay? Defender means the person who can stay at the back and just the ball checks and the defender भयो जो अगाडि आएर त्यो बल गर्नलाई गोल हाल्नलाई आउँछ नि attacking player हुन्छ नि, the forward attacking player is said to be forward, okay? The forward has won the, okay, Messi, 28-year world, Barcelona and Argentina forward, okay, forward, then we can just make here comma, sorry, we can bring the back one at the front also, who won 4 straight FIFA award from, okay, FIFA award from 2009 to 2012, comma, has, okay, won the Ballon d'Or trophy on Monday, okay, is the world, is it visible? Okay, world's best player, okay, player in 2015 for the fifth time. Now, look here. I have written these lines, okay. Kathmandu, Messi, 28-year-old, Barcelona and Argentina forward who won 4 straight FIFA awards from 2009 to 2012, has won the Ballon d'Or trophy on Monday, is the world best player in 2050 for the 5th time. Now this sentence, the whole one sentence, okay, this one sentence has given the information about what actually the text is, what this heading is saying, okay. This one sentence actually has given the information, has given us the information about what the heading is saying. So this sentence is said to be lead sentence or intro. Intro means that gives introduction. The sentence that gives introduction. Okay. Usually in lead sentence or in that paragraph, it is made a paragraph of one sentence in lead. Okay. Usually in lead, the paragraph is made of one sentence, and that one sentence gives the whole information, whole detail, or gives the detailed information about what actually the news story is going to say. Clear? Now we got it how we will write the headline, okay, how we will write the dateline, or we can write here byline also, we can write the name here, yes. Then we will how we will write the lead. Then we have to develop this story. Now buddy here, then let's go to the slide, okay, I have prepared it for you. Let's go here, look here. Lionel Messi wins FIFA World Player Award for 5th time, yeah. Messi, 28-year-old Barcelona and Argentina forward who won 4 straight FIFA awards from 2009 to 2012 has won the Ballon d'Or trophy on Monday as the world best player in 2015. Okay, now rest of the thing they will support the first this lead, okay. Rest of the thing, it's incredible that it's my 5th. It's a very special moment. Incredible, you know, there is no way to say, okay. There is no, it is surprising, I can't believe it. It's saying something like that, okay. Very shocking thing, okay. It's incredible that it's my 5th. It's a very special moment for me to be back here on the stage, winning again another Sorry, here the N is missing. Ballon d'Or, said Messi in his acceptance speech when he was called, okay, in the program when he was given that trophy while accepting, okay, acceptance speech means while accepting that trophy, he said that it was very exciting thing, okay, I can't believe that I'm again having that for the 5th time, clear? Now, this passage again supports the first and the very first one, the lead sentence here, okay. Messi got 41.33% of total voting points in a 23 candidate ballot, okay. There were 23 persons, okay. Ronaldo received 27.76%, and the third place Neymar, Messi's Barcelona teammate. Teammate means these both Neymar and Messi, they both play in same club. That means Barcelona. Teammate means playing in the same club. Okay. Okay. Barcelona teammate got 7.86%. Okay, voting was by national team captains and coach plus invited journalists from FIFA member countries. Now what we did, we wrote the heading, then we wrote the date, okay, dateline, then we wrote the lead sentence, okay, we wrote the lead sentence and we talked about the lead sentence, then we wrote the supporting bodies there and we conclude there. Now let me say more thing. This guided writing, that means newspaper writing, okay, newspaper story writing, this guided writing is, okay, it carries 5 marks. It carries 5 marks. Therefore, you are asked to write 75 to 100 words. You are asked to write 75 to 100 words. So, while writing, you have to write heading, okay. You can write byline or you can omit that. You have to write dateline. You write one sentence, a paragraph, one sentence, lead, then write the body, or you can conclude it in the body. You no need to write the next paragraph to conclude it, okay. So you can write in such way and you can finish your newspaper writing from 75 to 100 words. Okay students, today we did about newspaper writing. Moreover, in your book, in page number 81, you have follow-up activities and project work there. It talks, prepare a brief news report on an event that has recently happened in your locality, then present it to the class, okay. And next, the project work is to collect news story from 2 national English newspapers, cover the interesting stories from the paper. Now design a front page of a newspaper by pasting the cutouts and writing the basic information like date, day, price, etc. It is said there, okay, you can. That means the project work have asked you to make this one, to make this, okay. Here is, I think, yes. Okay, here it is written capital, okay, it is written 16 plus 4 page, RS 5, okay, then from where it is published, Kathmandu, okay, Thursday, August 17, 2017, okay, in this way you can you can write this or prepare this part, okay? The project says that you have to prepare this part. Otherwise, if it is not possible to do, then what can you do is that you can prepare a wall magazine for your school, okay? And you can paste the news collecting the happenings or incidents around your surrounding, and you can do that. And I humbly request to the teachers, please you help your students to write the news, to find out the interesting facts and to develop them into news. And more, before going, I would like to say that please don't be confused on news story and story, okay? Story starts with once upon a time, many times ago, or something else, but news story, it has heading, it has byline, dateline, it starts with the lead of one sentence and the body and conclusion and so on, okay? I hope you have a good understanding about the how to write news story, okay? And we hope to see you again. Thank you. Good luck.